Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Saji Lotus here and we are back with another video. Here we're gonna be doing some upcycling on some old clothing. We're gonna be turning them into something new. So if you're looking to save some coin, then keep on watching. So guys, if you're new here, thanks for joining. And if you're here all the while, thanks for staying. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know which is your favorite outfit. Yes, so guys, this is what we're going to be working on first. It's just a short pants and we're going to transform it into a skirt, and it's going to be like really quick and easy. So we're just ripping it apart and then just stitch it back together in the way of a skirt. So that's what we have after I finish ripping the crotch open, and then just gonna rip some more. That's what we have, and then I'm just gonna stitch these down like that. So just see what I'm doing, just do the same thing, just stitch them back together, except we're not stitching back the crotch area. So yeah, just give it some stitch and then we're ready to go. And that's what we have. So just a cute little short skirt, but I think it's a bit too tight for me, so I might give it away. Yeah, that's what it looked like. I like the way it turns out, just a bit too tight. Now for this transformation, we're gonna make a crop top with a short sleeve from these tights. Yeah, so I'm just cutting this piece off, so that'll be my sleeve. So I'll save that for later, and then I'll start working on the top part. Just open the crotch, and that's what I have after I open the crotch. Yeah, I take off piece because it was a bit too long for my liking. So now I'm just gonna even it out and cut out my sleeve, my armpit area, so I can attach my sleeve. Yeah. So yeah, just like that. So that's my top part, and now I'm gonna attach my sleeve. So I'm gonna open up my sleeve just a little bit, and I leave like 2 inches for the end of my sleeve. So the rest I'll attach the open area to the short piece, and then we're ready. So that's what I'm doing. I'm attaching the sleeve. And this bobby pin was giving me trouble, so I decided not to bother with the bobby pins. I just go straight in and I sew it. So I'm just sewing that, and then sewing the other side. So I did both sleeve one time. So yeah, that's what it should look like. And then for the top of the short waist, gonna be the off shoulder, you're gonna need a bit of elastic, not too tight around your body, and that's what I have after I finish sewing the casing and putting in my elastic. And yeah, I love this one too. And then this is the little short tights that I have from long time. I stopped wearing it, and then I said I'm gonna give it some life. That's what we're doing today. So yeah, so I'm just cutting this. So the crotch area, the front and back seam, they're gonna be the side seam. So yeah guys, that's what it looked like after I'm finished. Just cut it and stitch it. That's cute. Yeah. And this one, we're gonna make a bodysuit from this one. This one is really easy because you don't have to do no hemming or anything. Just cut and stitch. Right. So just watch what I'm doing and just follow along. And that's the crotch area. I'm making it into the shape of a panty, just like that. And then I'm giving it a cut down the middle for the back and the front. You can carry it low if you want. So just stitch those side, stitch up to the side however high you want your side seam to be, and that's what I get after I finish stitching it together. And yeah guys, I like this one too. And then this is the oversized sweater. I'm gonna make a top and a bottom with this one. Yeah, so I'm making a two-piece outfit from this oversized sweater. This one is really easy. I just stitch the side up after I finish cutting it out, and I hem it, and then my skirt is ready. Yes guys, and then I use the sleeve to make myself a cute top. I'm just opening the sleeve up, right, just like that. Open the second sleeve, and then there we have them. Just cut it, make sure it can wrap around your body when you stitch it together. I was gonna put sleeve, but I changed my mind, and that's how it turns out. I'm really happy with this one too. Yeah guys, so that's all my outfit. I hope you can get to make one. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to keep on floating, and I'll see you on the next